10 Best Headers for 5.7 Hemi Ram 1500 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. BBK 90mm Throttle Body, Dodge Hemi Upgrade. Ready to unleash the full, exhilarating potential of your Dodge Hemi? The BBK 90mm Throttle Body is your ultimate performance upgrade. We precision engineer each unit from robust CNC machined 356 aluminum, guaranteeing significantly superior airflow into your engine and unmatched lasting durability that can effortlessly handle serious power. Forget compatibility worries. It's fitted with brand new factory OEM electronic throttle controls, ensuring flawless integration and razor-sharp throttle response without any tuning headaches. Best of all, this isn't a daunting project. It's a true bolt-on installation requiring absolutely no modifications. Experience instant quicker acceleration, substantially improved horsepower, and a driving experience redefined. Elevate your Hemi's performance with BBK quality and feel the raw power. Number 9. Mopar Hemi V8 Header Bolt Kit. Tired of header leaks and constant retightening? Give your Hemi the reliability it deserves with our Mopar Hemi V8 Header Bolt Kit. Engineered with robust grade 8 bolts, these won't stretch under extreme exhaust temperatures, ensuring a steadfast, leak-free seal every time. But it's not just about strength. The dazzling duplex nickel finish provides a show-quality look and formidable corrosion resistance. Installation is a breeze thanks to the innovative double-hex head, featuring a 3/16-inch recessed Allen for effortless wrenching in tight spaces. Fully removable and reusable, you can even visually inspect tightness. No more guesswork or constant wrench checks. Upgrade your Hemi with precision and peace of mind. Number 8. 5.7 Hemi Exhaust Gasket Kit for Ram and Jeep. Tired of that persistent exhaust leak draining your Hemi's power and creating annoying noise? Our 5.7 Hemi Exhaust Gasket Kit is your ultimate solution. Crafted from premium, durable materials, this complete set, including gaskets, bolt studs, and nuts, ensures a long service life and a perfect seal. Designed for a true plug-and-play experience, installation is straightforward, getting you back on the road faster. We rigorously test and certify every component to meet or exceed OEM standards, guaranteeing exceptional quality and reliability. Compatible with a wide range of Dodge, Ram, Chrysler, and Jeep 5.7 Hemi vehicles from 2009 to 2020, it's the precise fit you need. Restore your engine's performance and enjoy a quiet, powerful ride with confidence. Number 7. 5.7L Left Exhaust Manifold Kit, Ram Jeep Dodge 2011 to 2018. Restore your powerful 5.7L Hemi with our premium left exhaust manifold kit, engineered specifically for Ram, Jeep, and Dodge vehicles from 2011 to 2018 and select earlier models. If you're experiencing exhaust leaks or noise, this is your complete, direct-fit solution. Meticulously crafted from high-grade cast iron, this manifold boasts a sturdy structure and exceptional high-temperature resistance, ensuring optimal heat dissipation for a smoother running engine. This isn't just a part. It's a complete kit including the manifold, gasket, bolts, and nuts, making your installation straightforward. Designed to strict OEM specifications, you can trust its stable performance and long-lasting durability. Plus, drive with absolute confidence thanks to our 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. Get your Hemi roaring cleanly and powerfully again. Number 6. Amazon's Choice Best Overall Pick. When Amazon names something its best overall pick, it signifies a commitment to excellence. This isn't just another part. It's a testament to superior engineering and ultimate reliability. Crafted from robust high-silicon ductile iron, you're investing in unmatched durability and heat resistance, ensuring your vehicle performs flawlessly for years to come. We've thought of everything for a smooth upgrade. Our kit includes longer fasteners with precision spacers, guaranteeing a secure, perfectly aligned fit and hassle-free installation. Plus, with all gaskets and fasteners included, you won't need an extra trip to the hardware store. This premium solution is specifically designed for models before the 2019 Plus DT body style. Experience the confidence that comes with an Amazon's Choice product, built to exceed expectations. Number 5. 5.7 LV8 Exhaust Manifold Bolts and Nuts. Give your powerful 5.7 LV8 the reliability it deserves with our heavy-duty exhaust manifold bolt and nut set. Crafted from premium, heat-treated alloy steel, These components offer exceptional tensile strength and high-temperature resistance, meticulously engineered to prevent deformation and cracking even under extreme conditions. Experience a truly leak-free connection thanks to their precision machine design and fine threading, ensuring a secure, vibration-resistant seal that optimizes engine performance. Each bolt boasts an antioxidant coating, providing superior protection against rust, road salt, and heat, guaranteeing long-term durability. Compatible with a wide range of 2009 to 2020 Dodge, Ram, Chrysler, and Jeep 5.7L models, this direct-fit replacement kit ensures hassle-free installation. Invest in lasting integrity for your engine's exhaust system. Number 4. Ram 1500 Hemi Stainless Dual Exhaust Muffler Y-Pipe. Ready to truly unleash the beast within your Ram 1500 Hemi? Our stainless dual exhaust muffler Y-Pipe is precision-engineered for 2009 to 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi 5.7L trucks, 2019 classic models only, with dual exhaust. This heavy-duty, direct-fit kit, crafted from premium T304 stainless steel, promises not just incredible durability and corrosion resistance, but a transformative auditory experience. Prepare to hear that signature Hemi growl deepen into a truly mean and aggressive rumble. You'll instantly notice increased exhaust flow and volume, giving your truck an undeniable presence. Best of all, installation is a breeze, a pure bolt-on process with absolutely no cutting or welding required. Upgrade effortlessly and command the road. Number 3. Flowmaster Flow FX Moderate Sound Performance Muffler. Ready to elevate your ride's presence without overwhelming the cabin? The Flowmaster Flow FX series muffler delivers that perfect balance. Experience a deep, traditional mellow tone thanks to its straight-through design and large-diameter perforated core with high-temp sound-absorbing materials, delivering a richer sound than chambered mufflers without the excessive cabin drone. It's not just about sound. Our proven design enhances exhaust flow, reducing back pressure to noticeably improve horsepower and torque, making it ideal for street enthusiasts and daily drivers alike. Built tough from durable 409S stainless steel and fully MIG-welded, it promises long-lasting performance and corrosion resistance. Plus, its reversible, universal fitment makes installation a breeze, even in tight spaces. Unlock a better sound and performance today. Number 2. Ram 1500 Exhaust Manifold Gasket Set. Experiencing a noisy exhaust leak from your Ram 1500? This exhaust manifold gasket set is your precision-engineered solution, specifically designed for a perfect fit across 2011 to 2020 Ram 1500s, 2011 to 2018 Ram 2500/3500, and even older Dodge Rams and Chrysler models. You're guaranteed broad compatibility. Every component meets or exceeds original equipment specifications, providing unsurpassed quality you can truly trust. Engineered for the demanding sealing repair environment and validated for optimal fit, form, and function, this comprehensive kit includes all necessary gaskets and seals. That means no more searching for individual parts. You have everything required for a durable, leak-free repair. Restore your truck's performance and quiet ride with confidence. Number 1. 2009 to 2020 Hemi 5.7L Exhaust Manifold Hardware Kit. Is your Hemi 5.7L or 6.4L exhaust groaning under the pressure of worn-out hardware? Restore that legendary power and quiet operation with our brand-new Exhaust Manifold Hardware Kit. Designed specifically for 2009 to 2020 models, this comprehensive kit includes everything you need. 10 double-end studs, 10 nuts, and 8 bolts, ready for both LH and RH sides. Forget hunting for individual components. We've got you covered. Built to strict quality control standards, our hardware meets or exceeds OEM specifications, ensuring a durable, leak-free seal. Perfect for your Challenger, Charger, Ram, or Grand Cherokee, you can trust this kit for a precise fit and lasting performance. Get your Hemi roaring the way it should be. So, that sums up my 10 best headers for 5.7 Hemi Ram 1500. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.